And now we have one big table.
We bought multi-purpose table set from 3-piece, weight capacity per table 35 kilograms.
Sturdy aluminum frame, table section fold away for space-saving storage and easy to transport. Each table section has practical carry handle. Wow, cool.
4 height settings, approximately 73, 80, 87 and 94 centimeters. Multi-purpose, e.g. for wallpapering, parties and else.
We will try to do table tennis, yeah?
Yeah, we're going to play ping pong on it.
3 table sections used individually or together. Assembled size per section approximately 160 centimeters. Wow, cool.
Okay.
Let's unbox it.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's go, let's get it.
We are not very smart. Ta-dam!
And here you go. Now we're cooking.
What we have here. Put it here.
Something cool. Oh, where's the
Second
manual?
one. Where is manual?
Where?
Ah, here is manual, and it has some claps.
Oh, okay.
One more. Put here.
Put it here. Take out the manual.
Stop. Some parts.
Some parts. What is this?
It's a part.
Okay, I understand.
Put it here.
But for what?
Let's install first one. Maybe we need
A knife to cut this. Hey bro, watch your jet.
I think it's stable. It's like this. This one is like this. Cool. Here we still have some fixation. This. Yeah. One table is ready.
Get over here.
Put it here.
I'm holding it. Okay, so like, no.
Second one. But we need to rotate it and to put here.
So how do we connect them? We are not the same height.
Cool.
Very cool, yes.
And last one.
What do you want to make, like a very long table? Why would you do that?
Look, here we have. Here we have button. Then we can regulate a height.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's okay.
So we can do the same height all tables.
Ah, cool.
Cool. And third one.
Okay, I'm going to.
Yeah.
Let's regulate the tables.
Let's do the same height. Okay.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah. Where is the button? Here. Where did it go? Oh, here.
Okay. And this one. Push the button.
Yes, of course.
1, 2, 3.
Where is mine?
There it is.
Over here.
Yeah, same.
And this one.
And this one. Push the button.
I pushed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We did the same height. Now we need the put to connect it between each others.
Yes.
To do one big table.
First, to take out these.
7 part.
Yes.
And from it's better to do it both sides.
Yeah, and from all the table.
And from all table, yeah. I'll help you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next part, we need this.
Then we need
Take this
this.
And eject this one.
And we need to take out this.
Yeah.
Then we are putting in this here.
And from this side too. Here. You can. This one must help you. No, and you need to
put this here.
Yeah.
What the hole is?
Yeah, we need to eject this one.
Yeah.
And
then push it
push it
all the way.
all the way and put it back.
Then you
put it.
Yes. Yeah. When you did this, you take one of this. Is it called the 8?
Yeah, 8 part.
And you go down. And you need to put it here.
I will help you. It's not too easy for child.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
And from another part.
I will go further.
Here. It's okay.
Now it must go in there. The hole. Put this in. Huh? Why is it not going in?
You have the same problem?
Yeah.
You okay? Put it here. Oh, yes. And now we have one big table. Let's try to play tennis on it.
Table tennis, or
Table tennis.
also known as ping pong.
Ping pong.
Let's
yeah.
go! Let's play our ping pong.
Let's do it. 1-0. I am a champion. Oh, 1-1.
No, you didn't touch it.
1-1.
Did you touch it?
1-1. You did. 2-1. 3-1.
Quickly.
Yeah. My turn. Yeah, I am a champion.